Not sure. It's just a female Labordi. Female? Not sure.
No.
Need to ask a Christian.
Because I saw these stripes.
But the colour changed. When I caught it, he was quite, a bit angry. So he became nearly all black.
Oh.
But it calmed down now, so it's sort of green.
Beautiful. Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Did you have a nice walk this morning?
I didn't go far. I was too tired.
Yeah.
And some good shots from last night.
Okay. So you...
Oh, it's beautiful.
You filming?
Yes. I put it on YouTube.
But you have your finger on the lens.
Oh. He had brown stripes on his back.
Red.